Hello everyone, it's me Jafir from Jazz Bros. Today's video is all about reading, and today we're gonna read The Monkeys and the Birds. Get started. Once upon a time, there was a huge tree in a certain forest. Some birds had made their nests on this tree and lived happily. One day there was a heavy rainfall and strong wind blew. A few monkeys playing there ran for shelter under the tree. They were shivering as they were totally drenched. The birds saw the shivering monkeys and felt sorry for them. A bird said, "Listen, monkeys, we have made our own nests. You have big hands, so you should build a house for yourself." The monkeys did not like what the bird said to them. They wanted to teach the birds a lesson, as they were angry. They said, "How dare the bird speak to us like this?" After some time, the rain stopped and the sun came out. The monkeys climbed the tree and destroyed the nests. The poor birds regretted giving advice when they were not asked. And that's the end of the story. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye!